Wim Dijkgraaf here, Quotation Factory. Last night we did a new release, and one of the new features is that when you upload an article file, that we validate the articles. What does it mean, validate? We depend on the text that you deliver. So for example, for a piece of sheet metal, we need the length and the width and the thickness of the sheet. But with all the raw materials, every type or shape of raw material needs its own minimum set of dimensions. So we created validators in order for you to see which article descriptions are not validated green. So if they are red, there is something missing in the description. And that's what we have implemented, such that you know that every article that you import is actually accepted and processed correctly by the platform. If not, it could be that if a customer or yourself uses that article, when you use that the processing of the article information will not be done correctly. So in this way, we are able to make sure that all your articles are interpreted correctly and will be processed by all the functionality correctly. In order to demo this, I've invited a very special colleague from the first minute of Quotation Factory. He's with us.
Hey.
Wiebe, good to see you.
Good day. Good to see you, Wim.
Yes, you prepared a certain setup to show our users, customers, what happens when you upload a new article file.
Yes, I did that. So let's include the demo environment. Yes, here we are. Hi, everybody. Well, for everybody, it should be a normal page you see right now. I'm currently in the settings page of Quotation Factory, and there on the uploads, where you have the ability to upload your articles using Excel. In this case, it also could be that you have an ERP connection in place, so that all your article descriptions and articles are provided from the ERP system. But here we have the overview screen. We included a new column, which is the valid column, which is checked by a green check. And when there is a problem, for example, with some articles and description, it will be a red. So here you also have a new checkbox, which only shows articles with validation arrows. So you easily can check this and immediately all the articles with problems. In my example here, I have 6 articles which have validation errors. And in this, in my example, I will pick this round bar, and what it says in the validation errors is that's missing a measurement of a length. Well, there is a length, but it misses the unit of measures. So I will add the meters in this example. Press on save, and what you will see happening after it's ready or saved, you see that the validation error is solved, and this article is not included in the list and disappeared. Of course, you will know.
Yeah. From 6 we went to 5.
Exactly. Yeah,
articles with a problem.
5.
Yeah.
And here, of course, we can check that you only see the problem of the not valid articles, and now you have that specific article which is valid now and can be used in the platform.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's the only thing we did and improved, so that it will not block you during making your quotes, and that there is weird behavior and blockers popping up, and then you need the help of us. Yep.
Wiebe, now I also see the addition of a button named Reanalyze Articles.
Yes, that's true. That has always
Can you explain that?
Yes. So when we improve keywords or improve logic in our backend, we have the ability to, let's say, upgrade your article analysis and your own system based on the newest version. And when you press on that, it will trigger all the new improvements we made. For
Yeah,
some
but
customers,
Wiebe,
we do
that's the
that.
reason why I asked, because will that also trigger the validation rules for those articles?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, absolutely,
yeah.
absolutely. So the reanalysis, a full reanalysis with checking all the logic we have in place.
So our customers that update the article file, for example, every night through the connectivity with the ERP, they will see the validation errors immediately the day after.
Yes,
For those that have an Excel sheet that they upload and hardly edit anything in their article file, they can press the reanalyze articles and then the validation rules will be triggered and the validation errors will be shown.
exactly, Wim. That's true.
Yeah,
And what we have in place is from customer success, we know some customers who need help related to this, and we will follow it up now because the release has been done. And we
yeah,
will help them improve the article descriptions if needed. And if not, and if you are not able to solve these problems or you don't know how to solve it, you don't know exactly, please get in contact with us, use the chat button, start a conversation, and start
yeah,
with your question and be clear about where are you blocked, of
yeah.
what you're blocking.
Wiebe, last question from my side. One of the recent releases has full support for both metric units of measures as well as imperial.
Yes.
We also check. We in general check for dimensions, and as if every dimension is in place, that should work both for metric as well as imperial
Yeah,
based
that's true.
articles. Is it? Yeah.
Yes, that's true. But
Okay.
if there is an imperial unit used, we determine that. And for example, in this case, here it's meters, but it also can be feet. So, but then the
Yeah.
interpretation will be circa 6 feet, and then you have a
Yep.
length measurements in feet. That's true.
Okay, perfect. That's for our Canadian and Mexican customers quite important.
Yes, and Australia, of course. But maybe there's there is some use cases there.
Okay,
Yep.
good.
Thanks.
That's all, eh?
Here. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, great. Within 8 minutes, we did it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Great announcement. Nice.
Yes. Thank you, Wiebe.
Anyway,
Till next
have a
time.
nice day. Yes, next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.